Welcome to AI Unraveled, demystifying frequently asked questions on artificial intelligence, where we'll keep you up to date on the latest AI trends. In this episode, we'll explore the groundbreaking research, innovative applications, and emerging technologies that are pushing the boundaries of AI. Don't miss out on the latest in AI, so be sure to subscribe to stay updated on the latest ChatGPT and Google Bard trends. In today's episode, we'll cover various topics including 5 AI tools for studying and researching, the drawbacks of AI in crowdsourced work, a methodology to detect AI-generated work, generating quality content using ChatGPT's low perplexity and high burstiness, the debate on whether AI will be centralized or decentralized, and a new AI-based tool for podcast generation called Wondercraft. Today, we're exploring cutting-edge AI tools that can take your learning and research experience up a notch. There are 5 tools in particular that we'll be discussing, and they all utilize machine learning and natural language processing to make your work easier and more efficient. First up is Consensus AI, which is a search engine designed to democratize expert knowledge. It can analyze and evaluate web content by using machine learning and NLP, and when you pose the right questions, the engine can examine publications and show you pertinent data to support your inquiry. Next, we have Quillbot, an AI-powered writing assistant that can improve the grammar and style of your content by rewording sentences and increasing your overall coherence. Quillbot is also great for paraphrasing text, which can be especially useful if you want to keep your research work original. Gradescope is another tool that can really save time and effort for instructors. This AI-powered grading and feedback tool can decrease the required effort of grading assignments, exams, and coding projects by automating the process. Its machine learning algorithms can even decipher handwriting and provide students with valuable feedback. Elicit is an AI-driven research platform that designed personalized surveys to gather and analyze data. This tool can quickly analyze large amounts of text, including poll, interviews, and social media posts, to find trends, patterns, and sentiment. It can be especially useful for researchers who want to gather pertinent data in a more efficient and effective way. Last but not least is Semantic Scholar, an AI-powered academic search engine that prioritizes scientific content. It can analyze research papers, extract crucial information, and generate recommendations that are pertinent to the context using machine learning and NLP techniques. Semantic Scholar is a great tool for researchers who want to stay ahead of research trends and keep up with the latest advancements in their fields. These are just a few examples of how AI tools can help enhance your learning and research. By utilizing these tools, you can streamline your work and gain valuable insights that will help you become a more effective researcher or student. Hey there! Today we will be talking about an open-source financial large language model, FinGPT, and about how AI is used in crowdsourcing platforms such as Amazon Mechanical Turk. With the ongoing development and advancement of artificial intelligence, large language models have become a significant part of natural language processing as they benefit various fields. However, as AI changes the job industry, concerns have also come to light, particularly about reduced output quality, bias, and the use of AI-generated data from human labor. For instance, many workers on platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk are now using AI language models like GPT-3 to perform their tasks. While this increases efficiency and income, the use of AI-generated data leads to concerns about the quality of the output and potential biases. This is why researchers at the École Polytechnique Fédérale de Lausanne, EPFL, in Switzerland, conducted an experiment to detect if the work was human or AI-generated. By creating a classifier and using keystroke data, the researchers were able to determine that some of the work completed by workers appeared to have been generated by AI models, which could lead to inaccuracies, bias, and a decrease in quality. Researchers suggest that with the improved accuracy of AI systems, the nature of crowdsourcing work may change, with the potential of AI replacing some workers. However, it is also suggested that there is room for AI-humans collaboration in generating responses. It's important to note that human data is considered the gold standard as it represents the responses of humans whom AI serves. The researchers highlight that the imperfections of human responses are often what they aim to study from crowdsourced data, implying that measures might be implemented soon to prevent the use of AI in such platforms and ensure human data acquisition. That's all for today on this fascinating topic. Don't forget to watch this space for more AI and tech-related updates. Till then, take care. Whether you're a content marketer, a copywriter, or anyone involved in producing content, chances are you're already familiar with AI tools like ChatGPT. They're a great way to speed up the content creation process when you're on a tight deadline. But when it comes to blogging or article writing, you want to make sure your content stands out. And the best way to do that is to make it feel more human. So how can you use an AI tool like ChatGPT to generate content that sounds like it was written by a human? Well, the key is to understand what perplexity and burstiness mean. Perplexity is a measurement of text quality and coherence. It gauges how well language models can predict upcoming words based on the context of the text. Lower values mean better predictions, better flow, and easier reader understanding, which are all characteristics of well-written human content. On the other hand, AI-generated content tends to have higher perplexity because language models lack the contextual understanding and coherence that humans possess. Perplexity is an essential metric to evaluate content quality and differentiate between human writing and AI-generated writing. Burstiness, on the other hand, adds a layer of excitement and captivation to written content. It involves infusing little bursts of information and engaging elements in the text, giving a sense of dynamic reading experience. Think of it like a roller coaster ride that keeps you on the edge of your seat, with unexpected twists and turns. The secret to achieving high burstiness is carefully blending different sentence structures, varying lengths, and sprinkling in a few rhetorical devices. But, as with any writing technique, you want to make sure the burstiness complements the overall purpose and logical flow of the content. Ultimately, when writing with ChatGPT, it's essential to understand that perplexity and burstiness are two critical elements that can make a big difference in differentiating human writing from machine-generated content. By balancing these two elements in your writing, you can produce content that reads more authentically human-like, making it engaging and keeping your readers hooked till the end. So, go ahead, experiment with these techniques and see how they can help take your content to the next level. Hey there! In today's podcast episode, we'll be discussing a fascinating topic that will help you generate content that won't be flagged by AI detection tools. So let's dive right in by exploring how you can generate content from ChatGPT and turn it into content that passes AI detection tests. For starters, let's say you want to create a piece of content about a healthy lifestyle. You might begin by writing an introduction about it. However, AI detection tools will easily detect it. So what is the solution? By following the below prompts, you can make your content sound like it's written by an actual human being. Firstly, start with the prompt. I'm going to give you some information. Next, explain what perplexity and burstiness are in simple terms. Complicated texts have high perplexity, while burstiness refers to the mix of short and long sentences. Human writers tend to vary their sentence lengths, while AI-generated content tends to be more uniform. Then prompt the next question. Do you understand? After ensuring they understand the concept of perplexity and burstiness, give the prompt to rewrite the content you wish to write and make sure it looks like it was written by a human. Here's an example. Using the above concepts, rewrite this article about a healthy lifestyle with a low amount of perplexity and a high amount of burstiness. Paste your content here. After running the prompt only once, I was able to generate the expected outcome. If you don't get the result you're hoping for, keep running the third prompt until you achieve the desired outcome. This technique will help you create compelling content that will not only pass AI detection tests, but also engage your audience. So that's it for today's episode. I hope you found this discussion on generating content that passes AI detection tests helpful. Try out these prompts and let us know how well they work for you. Thanks for tuning in. In 2023, The impact of artificial intelligence, AI, on our society is bound to be significant. According to recent discussions, one crucial question persists. Will AI be centralized, or will every individual have their own AI stored on personal devices? It is believed that the personal model would be more customer-centric, whereas the centralized model will be safer for society and more profitable for corporations. What's your take on this? Do you think AI will be decentralized? The European Union has voted to ban the use of AI for biometric surveillance and has also laid out a new rule that AI systems must be transparent about their processes. This new regulation highlights the significance of personal privacy and responsible AI development. OpenAI has released impressive updates for its chatbot API. The updates have given developers more flexibility, allowing them to build more advanced AI-powered applications. Good news for Beatles fans. Paul McCartney has announced that a final Beatles song will be released this year thanks to AI. The collaboration between the renowned band and AI technology proves AI's capability to revive and reimagine iconic music. So I have some exciting and thought-provoking news to share with you today. Nature, a prestigious science journal, has decided to ban AI-generated artwork from its publications. This decision has sparked a debate about the authenticity and value of AI-generated art in the scientific community. It makes me wonder, if art is how we express our humanity, where does AI fit in? This question leads us into the world of art and raises profound questions about the nature of creativity and the value of human expression. It's fascinating that AI is now capable of producing compelling art, but some people believe this represents a new frontier in artistic expression, while others argue it dilutes human creativity. In other news, developing safe and reliable autopilots for flying vehicles can be a significant challenge, requiring advanced AI and machine learning techniques. However, a recent headline suggests we are making strides towards this goal. The ongoing research to create autopilots that can handle the unpredictability and complexity of real-world flying conditions is quite promising. Also, new AI models are being developed to expedite drug discovery processes. By predicting how potential drugs interact with their target proteins, these AI systems could drastically reduce the time and resources required to bring new drugs to market. It's hard to wrap our heads around just how useful this could be in the future of medicine. Furthermore, researchers at MIT are pushing the boundaries of AI language models by developing scalable self-learning language models that can train themselves to improve their understanding of language. Such models could have far-reaching implications for AI systems, enhancing their ability to comprehend and interact in human language. Plus, Google's research team has come up with an innovative method for scaling audio-visual learning in AI systems without the need for manual labeling, using the inherent structure in multimedia data. Lastly, Facebook AI has developed a new tool to help developers and researchers select the most suitable methods for evaluating their AI models. This tool aims to standardize the evaluation process and provide more accurate and useful insights into model performance. And, excitingly, MIT researchers have developed a new way to train AI systems for uncertain, real-world situations. By teaching machines how to handle the unpredictability of the real world, the researchers hope to create AI systems that can function more effectively and safely. All of these advancements are quite impressive and give us a glimpse into the exciting possibilities of the future of AI. Hey there, lovely listeners of AI Unraveled podcast. I'm excited to share something new with you. If you've always dreamed of starting your own podcast but don't know where to start, I've got just the thing for you, the Wondercraft AI platform. With this tool, you can create hyper-realistic AI voices as your host, just like mine. It's super easy to use and guarantees a unique and engaging podcast experience for your audience. How cool is that? But hey, let's not forget about expanding our knowledge in the world of AI. That's why I wanted to tell you about a book that you don't want to miss. AI Unraveled, Demystifying Frequently Asked Questions on Artificial Intelligence. This book not only answers all of your burning questions about AI, but also provides insightful and valuable information on this captivating world. It's an engaging read that will elevate your knowledge and keep you ahead of the curve. You can easily get your copy on Amazon today. So there you have it, an amazing tool to start your own podcast and a fantastic book to enhance your understanding of AI. Don't wait any longer and let's get started. In this episode, we learned about 5 great AI tools for research and study, the use of AI in crowdsourced work, generating quality content with ChatGPT, the future of centralized versus decentralized AI, and various advancements and limitations in AI technology, and last but not least, Wondercraft AI for making podcasting a breeze. Thanks for listening to today's episode. I'll see you guys at the next one, and don't forget to subscribe.